Now we are gonna enter into Dubai Mall.
Hello everybody, so today we are gonna explore Dubai Mall. Hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Please let me know in the comment section. So this is the first inside view of the mall, and look at this, it's really huge. There was an aquarium, and it was such a big aquarium. I found some sharks there. However, there were a lot of people standing nearby, so we didn't get a chance to stand and took some great pictures. But here is the zoom view. I found there were all types of branded shops. You will not miss a brand here. It was a huge mall I ever seen. So it is a Christmas time here, and here is the beautiful Christmas tree. And look at this. Man, this is a huge mall. I just forgot the number of floors. Each floor is categorized as per say shopping. I'm exploring every floor. It's huge. The decor is so beautiful during Christmas time. I think December would be the best month if you want to visit Dubai. And my kid found the Lego shop here, and you can see that he is so mesmerized. And I don't know how much money I'm gonna spend here because the Legos looks like they're so expensive. And they have the Lego Burj Khalifa Tower. It is beautiful. There was a candy shop. We did some shopping. And this is the section for the local shops. I found the amazing perfumes here. You would not miss it. Honestly speaking, their perfumes were so damn good. So we almost spent a full day here. Now it's time to go to the hotel room, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.